There's been some updates with the Canon EOS Webcam Utility, and now it's out of beta for the Mac version. They had a final release, which is great. Currently it's only supported as far as up to Catalina. I'm on Mac OS Big Sur, but it still works. And also another new development, my Canon camera is supported, which is the EOS Rebel T3i, which is great as well. Now this is an older version of Webcam Utility, which I did on Mac OS Sierra, and it wasn't the right camera. It was for the Canon 6Ti, which wasn't fully supported. I mean, it worked. As you can see, some bad cropping with the black bar all the way around, and the heads-up display is showing in the camera view as well, which to me makes it unusable for any application. Now this is the updated version of the Webcam Utility using my supported camera, which is of course a Canon Rebel T3i. As you can see, one of the biggest advantages is it's a clean HDMI signal, meaning there's no writing on the screen, which is great, and it is also in 720p. Unfortunately, there's black bars on the right and left side, which I couldn't get it to crop out or anything. Perhaps maybe in the future I can work out that problem, but it is quite usable in many applications, so that's great to see. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the options using the Webcam Utility in OBS Studio for the Mac. And we're going to go to Properties, and if you use a preset, it gives you several resolutions. The biggest one you can get, highest resolution 720p, at least for the Canon T3i. And then if you select high, it seems to work as well, but it's still 720p. I'm not sure what that is used for. Taking it off, the preset kind of crashed it, and so I end up having to restart the whole thing to get it to reinitialize. So there is some few bugs in it that need to be worked out by Canon. So we restarted it, and it seemed to reinitialize the Webcam Utility driver. As you can see, taking it off the preset, it gives you more options, such as frame rate, the type of input video signal, input output viewing, and things like that. So it gives you a couple more options. So yes, you can use this in many different video applications, Skype, OBS Studio, Wirecast perhaps, things like that. So it's good on Canon to be able to do this. Like I said, it's probably a cheaper and better option to use something like one of Logitech's excellent webcams, which is usually fairly supported in Mac and in Windows and Linux as well. So thanks for watching, and see you guys later.